Hi, my name is Marin, and today I'm here to unbox and check out the VTech Spin and Light Color Flashlight. This is a really great toy for toddlers. It's geared towards 12-month to 36-month-olds, and my 24-month-old loved it right away when she saw it. It's a really diverse toy that's going to help increase motor skills, imaginative play, and they're also going to learn a lot about animals, numbers, colors, and just dexterity in general. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and check it out. Most of these things are pretty easy to unbox. So this is the Spin and Learn Color Flashlight by VTech. You have first the on button, so you can designate turning this off. And I really love when toys have the low volume and the high volume control. Sometimes if it's too noisy, like they're playing with it in the car, you want to use a high volume control. But other times when you want it to be a little quieter, like inside the house, you can keep it on low. This actually has an automatic shutoff, which is nice because it's going to preserve battery power and you don't have to worry about making sure it gets turned off after your child is done using it. So let's go ahead and turn this on.
I'm a ladybug.
So it looks like you've got some colored lights here. Green.
Blue. Yellow.
So we have the lights on the actual flashlight. They can point it and see the color, which is nice. They've got the animals on top of the flashlight, and they have a ton of buttons to play from. So this button right here is the numbers.
1, 2, 3.
And the ladybug is actually button 2.
I'm a ladybug.
This is awesome. This toy is designed for durable play, so you don't have to worry about your child breaking it. It's meant to be dragged around, picked up, dropped. And it's just a nice, diverse toy that's going to engage them, teach them something while they're playing, and give them a nice response when they're playing with it. So thank you so much for checking out the VTech Spin and Learn Color Flashlight with me. I hope you enjoyed watching.